On July 8, 2021, a controversial incident involving two police officers, Domingo Diaz and Mitchell Voyer, has sparked serious questions about police conduct. In this tense arrest, dozens of officers were present, but only Diaz and Voyer are facing scrutiny for their actions. Allegations of excessive force during the arrest led to their suspension with pay, a decision that raises red flags about police accountability and the process of internal investigations. The situation escalated when one of the suspects was hospitalized that night. Was the force used justified? The hospitalization triggers a closer look at the officer's actions and whether they follow proper procedures. Internal reviews are now underway, and everyone's waiting to see what comes next.
Dozens of cops are seen in the video. Two police officers, Domingo Diaz and Mitchell Voyer, have been suspended with pay, pending an investigation into their use of force during the arrest. Providence, Rhode Island Mayor Jorge Elorza said, quote, "I fully support the suspension of these two officers, taking their guns away, taking them off the streets, and holding them accountable." President of the Providence Police Union, Michael Imondi, said in a statement, "The investigation surrounding this incident should be full and complete before judgment is passed on any of the actions taken to facilitate the arrest of these subjects." These videos are the culmination of a several hours-long chase.
The drop top is down, so it's open.
Two 15-year-olds and a 16-year-old allegedly pointed a BB gun at civilians and police out of a convertible car,
Hands where I can see them, do it now!
leading to, as the Boston Globe reports, over 770 police radio calls. The teens were charged with 2 counts of felony assault with a deadly weapon and conspiracy. Because they are under 18, the suspects are not publicly identified.
As of now, no charges have been filed against any officers involved. This is typical in the early stages of an investigation, where officials carefully review the evidence. But the real question is, will these officers face consequences for their actions, or will they get a pass? Suspension with pay is a controversial move in cases like this. Some argue it's necessary to protect officers' rights while investigations happen, but others see it as a way to delay accountability. This case underscores the ongoing debate over how police misconduct should be handled and the need for clearer rules around force and discipline.